This conference will now be recorded.
Right. So all of you, good morning. So last completed ఏం చెప్పాం అసలు లాస్ట్ మనం మెగామెన్. Yes, what happened to megamen? So this is the megamen. This is a skeleton. The structure we have to design. Let us see how can we design the structure. ఎవరు చేయలేదా? ఎట్లా నేను చెప్తాను కాబట్టి మీరు చేయలేదా? అట్లా కదబ్బా, నువ్వు ఎంతో కొంత ట్రై చేసి నువ్వు ఫెయిల్ అవ్వాలి. ఫెయిల్ అయితే వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఎందుకంటే ఎక్కడ స్ట్రక్ అయ్యావో నీకు తెలియదు కదా. ఇక్కడ చూసినప్పుడు నీకు ఏంటంటే అది ఆ సినారీ ఇక్కడ నువ్వు మర్చిపోవు, నువ్వు అసలు ట్రై చేస్తే. వీ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ బై ఎర్రర్స్. నువ్వు తప్పులు చేస్తూ నేర్చుకున్నావంటే అది ఎప్పటికీ మర్చిపోవు. రాయగానే అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చిందంటే 10 రోజులకు మర్చిపోతావు. ఓకేనా? ఇట్లానే కావాలి నాకు. ఏంటంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ సచ్ ఎ వే, దెన్ థింగ్స్ విల్ రిమెంబర్ ఫర్ ఎవర్. Okay, right. So anyhow, let us start this same thing. Okay, first of all, see the code. Oh, we didn't write header, footer, everything. Okay, let us do one thing. HTML, header, title, CSS, meta menu. So what is the next one? Close head. Next one, body. Am I writing one by one? Yes. You cannot write like that, right? This is going to be HTML, right? Okay, you written the code. If your code is not looks good, select all the code. For example, select all the code. Some people will write the code like this. There is no spacing and nothing. You written like this. What is started, where is ended, we don't know. But some people will write like the code. In this context, what you will do, select all the code, go to browser, HTML, formatter. Select one website, keep the code of your HTML, format HTML. Yeah, you see, you got the code now. Copy the code, paste the code here. Now you see, code is neatly aligned now. Code is neatly aligned. Tree structure is coming like this. If you don't know, you can do like this also. So how many spaces, sir? I need 4 spaces, I believe. Here also there is an option. See, you have to select the 4 tab spaces also, we can select. Okay, now we can format again, formatted to 4 spaces. Okay, any spaces and you all decide చేసుకోవచ్చు. Now it is clear because this editor is following 4 spaces. Okay, now you see, this header contain brand and navbar. Okay, what is brand? Brand is simply electronics. What is this navbar? Navbar contain many things are there. Okay, this is the menu. In the menu, this div is what? Mega menu. Remaining all are what? Normal menu items. Like this, you first see the structure చూడండి. చూసినప్పుడే నీకు థాట్ వస్తుంది. ఇదేమి చూడకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా నేను రాస్తానంటే యూ విల్ నెవర్ రైట్ గుడ్ సిఎస్ఎస్. ఫస్ట్ ఎలా రాసామో స్ట్రక్చర్ చూసుకోండి. ముందు ఎవరిని పక్కకి తీసుకురావాలి. ఇదిగోండి, ఈ బ్రాండ్ని అండ్ నావ్ బార్ని సైడ్ బై సైడ్ తీసుకురావాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, ఇప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ రన్ చేయండి. రన్ ద అవుట్పుట్, సేవ్ ద ఫైల్. If you can refresh the page now, this is the output we are getting, and there is electronics, and this electronics and these all the things should be side by side. After that, all the blocks also should be side by side. After that, menu items, mobile accessories, laptop accessories should be side by side. So we have to things like this. Okay, let us go there. I'm going to write the thing. Header, id header. Okay, so open the CSS. Otherwise, create a new CSS file. Link relation equal to file sheet. I'm creating a new file sheet, and href is equal to mega menu.css file we have to create. We didn't create this file, let us create the file. So I'm going to create a new file. Let me save the file. Mega menu.css, both are in the same location. HTML file is in the same location, CSS file also in the same location. Okay, now this is done. Now after that, you run the file. If you run the file in the console, do you got any error? No error. Means that file linked successfully. If you have any error file not found something ante, maybe you saved file somewhere, you're trying to link from some other path. So please check the things. Okay, done. Now in this file, what we will write? Star margin 0. Margin 0. Right. What is the next one? Box sizing, SIZING. Box sizing, the value is going to be border box, which is the semicolon. Now refresh. If I refresh, the default things will be gone, right? Yeah, all the default gaps were gone. So now, wherever you have UL, it has some default padding. Write the padding 0 also. Wherever you have in the body, I don't know. That's why I'm writing directly UL. So wherever it is, it has to be default padding should be like this. Okay, there is no default padding. Everything will be like this. Right now, this electronics and this menu should be side by side. What should be side by side? Remember, you can come here. This is the brand and this is the navbar. So these two should be side by side. Who is the father of these two? ID header. Go to the ID header and now ID HADR header. You're writing what? Display flex. Yeah, refresh the page. They're all side by side now. They coming side by side? No. Why they're not coming? Anything? I written ID header, correct? Na? Anything wrong? HEA here. Any spell mistakes? No spell mistakes, right? I written, but this is not working. Display DISPLAY flex. Any spell mistakes are there? First check it first thing. Sometimes sir, I written everything correctly. It is not working until maybe the reason. Check the spellings or mistakes or anything, the things you written correctly or not. So the problem may be what here? Why that is not working? Why that is not working? Anybody? Maybe this is semicolon I written outside. Maybe you have written semicolon inside. Okay, let me see this carefully now. Save the file. Yeah, I'm refreshing the page. Now they are side by side. The problem is what? I kept the semicolon here. You cannot write outside. Semicolon should be inside the curly bracket only. Declaration block inside only, semicolon. Sometimes we will forget and we will write in hurry. Okay, be careful. Right. So this is done. Now the menu items should be side by side. Come down. So this is major task is done. Now in the nav bar, you have a lot of menu items now. What are the lot of menu items? Mobile accessories, laptop accessories, TV and entertainment, and audio video. All should be side by side. Who is the father of all these LI items? Dot menu. Dot menu. So what I want to do, comma dot menu. Is it okay? That is also flex. This is also flex kada. Why should I two times flex? Can I group them? Is it okay na? Yes, it is okay na. Otherwise, normally what you have to do, you have to write like this. You have to write like this. Both are same na. Menu items are side by side. This see mobile accessories, laptop accessories, TV, home, and everything they are coming na. Everything they are all coming. Okay, done. That's why you can write like this also. This is not required. Why should I write two times unnecessary? If you can think, yeah, you can see same output is there. For that and for this, I have same output, guys. Okay, now for these menu items, I want to provide some gap. Dot menu li menu li adding 10 pixels, 24 pixels, left, right 24, top, bottom something. See, if you provide the padding to this li, why sub li's are also applying? Why sub li's are also applying? If I write this, then what is going to be happen? If I write this, what is going to be happen? See, what is my intention, guys? All of you see this carefully. This is the menu. This li only should have some gap. There are some li's in mega menu. These li's are also getting some gap. I don't want to gap for submenu li items. So what I have to do, I am writing a selector like this. So what is the meaning of the selector? If I write greater than selector, if I refresh the page, what is happening? Immediately menu li only, out of menu li cannot apply. So if you just write space means menu inside wherever you have LIs, it is applying everywhere. That is the meaning of greater than symbol. I asked you this selector at the one point of time, right? Okay, check it carefully. This is also fine. Menu greater than LI or menu space LI means all the LIs which are in the menu class. The sub, parent, wherever it is going to be, this is getting applied like this. Okay, fine. Okay, this is going to be, I'm removing, not greater than, you write better always to write greater than something. Yeah, this is going to be something. Now, these menu items should be side by side. How many blocks are there? 6 blocks are there. 6 blocks are there. Let us do one thing. All of you watch it carefully. Dot mega menu. Mega menu for this. Let us write some background color for your clarity. Background I am writing. Hash 333. No, not 333. It's going to be something called green color. Later we will adjust this. First, for understanding purpose, I'm adding the green. Only mega menu. This is the mega menu. In mega menu, how many blocks are there totally? 6 blocks are there. All the 6 blocks should be side by side. Okay, let's go to the mega menu. Where is the mega menu? So this is the mega menu. In the mega menu, all of you see this carefully. You have 6 blocks. Div block, sorry. Div block, div block. Like this, how many blocks are there in the mega menu? Now these 6 blocks should be side by side. Who is the father of these 6 blocks? Mega menu. Let's go to the mega menu. Right. So what I have right here in CSS, mega menu should be display again like this. I refresh. They're all side by side. And now you see scroll bar is also enabled. Okay, mega menu. So okay, you write flex wrap also, WRAP wrap, you write wrap, flex wrap also, you write it always. Now you check this now. Do you have any differences there? Yeah, this is fine. Okay, because of the flex wrap, earlier what happened, content is out of the screen. Now, what is the meaning of wrapping? It will keep the content inside the screen only if you are writing the property. If you think that I written flex, items are side by side, but content is overflowing out of the screen and I always had flex wrap you can add. So this will be get adjusted automatically to you. Okay, right. Now this is going to be something. Mega menu means full width. Mega menu means what? Full width. To make this, let us write the width of the mega menu is going to be 100%. 100% in the sense, what is the screen? It will occupy that much. Now you see, this is going to be 100%. Is it occupied 100%? Not occupied 100%. Then you write one more property called position. Position. What is this? Is going to be absolute. You write. Now you see, this will be 100%. 100%. And one more property we have to write, and the left 0 also we have to write. Left 0. I will tell you about this position after this section completed. Now try to see. Left 0 means left side. This is full width na. This is full width. There is no horizontal scroll bar. Earlier we have scroll bar. So there is no nothing. So now we have to adjust this content side by side, equal width. See, this is taking very less width. So all the 6 blocks should have equal dimension. 6 blocks. What is the width of 6 blocks? Dot block. Dot block. What is the width of the dot block? Flex. Flex width చెప్పండి. 16 point. 100 by 16. I don't know. What is 100 by 16? 16 sir. 16 6 sir. 96. 96.99. I don't know. Let us get the correct value. 100 by 16. Oh, sorry. 100 by 16. 6.25. Hey, sorry. 100 by 6. 100 by 6 block. 16.66. So that 16.66. Take the value correctly. So 16.66. Let me refresh the page now. So is every block is 16.66? Yes, maybe these images are occupying more than. What is the image width? I won't write one thing. Dot block img. Block img width 100% you take, maybe it will be adjusted properly. Okay, the width should be inside 16%. It has to occupy. I'm writing this. Now, if you can refresh, now they're all in one shape. They're all in one shape at least. Earlier it is not like that, but right now they're all in one shape. So inside the block menu, let us write some padding. Padding, I'm writing 20 pixels. So because let us provide some gap now, not 20. You take more top 20, left right 40. I'm taking left right 40, top bottom 20. If I refresh, you will have some better preview. Okay, right now this is the thing. Images should have some gap also, no? Let me write some margin here. For every block I want to provide some margin also, because they all look like attached together. So margin 5 pixels I'm taking. Is it okay? 5 pixel. Okay, 5 pixel means what happening, one image is coming down. Oh my god. So what I will do, you made this is going to be 16% only, like this. Is it fine? Yeah, some gap is there between the every block. Earlier there is no gap between the image and everything, so now it is fine to see. Okay, right. So now we can remove this background green. If we can remove, this is the actual thing. No, at least we have to add some color. Let us keep the color, otherwise it is not looks good. Hash d3 d3 d3, some color I'm taking this time, light color I'm taking. This is the thing. Okay now, right. So these items should be designed now. How the menu should be there in the yesterday diagram. Okay, I have to remove the, oh, these dots also we have to remove one day. We forget to remove the dots. Right, this is going to be list style type is going to be what? None. If I write none, dots, main menu dots gone, and menu dots also should be gone, right? So what is this is going to be? Block menu. I think we have something. Block menu li, for the class you written. I don't know. Inside the block, yeah. What is the menu? Block menu. Yes, block menu li. Yeah, block menu li. Again, list style type is going to be none, and when in none. So those dots also will be gone. Yeah. So now there should be some gap also, no? Padding. Top bottom 8 pixels. Left right 0 pixels I'm taking. Is it okay? But let us see. Oh, the menu is okay now. Such a gap is fine. Yeah. I won't remove the dots also, right? How do I remove the dots? Dot menu lia. Text decoration none. Text decoration is going to be none. So because of the none, all dots gone. All dots gone. And if I write just like this guys here, menu, if I write like this, then what, whose dots, whose underline will gone? Only parent menu underlines will be gone. Huh? Oh, everything is gone. Okay, no worries about it. So now I removed all the lines. You won't take any color to the menu items, you take the color to the menu items also. I won't take the color of every menu item is going to be hashed 666. I am taking some light dark gray, not light gray. This is a dark gray color, will be like this. Okay now, right. And this should be capital letter. Yes or not? It was bold in that menus, if you can see. So that I'm writing dot block menu li first child, child, first child. Font weight is going to be bold. Font weight bold for the first child of every UL. So for the every UL, first child is what? Bold. See how the selector is helping us. We are not taking any special class. You check the menu yesterday we taken the diagram. Everything first thing is going to be look like somewhat bold. Of course, you write some font size also. Font hyphen size is going to be, I'm writing 18 pixels. I am taking. Maybe this will be like this, little bolder than the other menu items. I want to make something called heading like this. Okay, na? Right. This is what. And the next one is going to be what? This is going to be block img center. Okay, for this we will take separate class because this text should be center. Text align center, it will work fine. So everything should be centered. So where is the thing? Block menu. So dot block. For these last three, I'm adding one more class only. IMG block also you can add. One more class. We can add multiple classes. Do you know? You can add only one class or multiple classes also I can add. You can add multiple classes also we can add. Like this. IMG block, IMG block. So for these three only different styles are required. If I write block, all the 6 blocks will be get the same style. I don't want all the 6 blocks. So last three only different design. That's why I'm writing this is going to be dot block img block. For this img block, I'm writing a selector. This is a selector. Mm, write the text line center. Text line center. Refresh. Center text. Center text. So there should be. Shall we write line height? Semicolon, we should add the semicolon, and if I refresh, yeah, some line height also there, and this is not looks good. Then what is the font size we can provide for this? This is H4, huh? Okay, H4. Let us do one thing. Dot img hyphen block H4. You can write some font size. Font hyphen size equal to 20 pixels. I am taking. So if I take 20 pixels, is the size is okay? Yeah, the size will be like this, and this is also going to be somewhat the color. Dot img hyphen block a. What is the color I can provide? I'm taking the blue color. I'm taking. Let me take the blue color. Now, is it blue color? No, it's not blue color. Why this is not applying blue color? It's not applying blue color. What is the reason? Maybe anybody? Sorry. Actually, parent color is applying. If it is not applying, write important. IMPORTANT. If you write important, first priority this is. So if I write important, now color blue na? Yeah, color blue is there. Earlier, which color is applying? What is the color you provided for these anchors? Same color is applying. No. I want to do my own color and updo. So it is not applying. So I am writing simply important. Because of writing important color, the existing color override with the color you preferred. So this is also a valid. So for these images, any other things we have tried? What are radius I am taking? Yep, maybe this is the border radius. Applied, and do one more thing here. You write either align item center also, right? Align items center. Yes, and they all aligned properly. This is going to be the something. I'm doing extra pictures. Cannot require this is okay. Then up to here is that okay? Right now, what is the agenda? It should be hide. When you are hovering, we have to display it, right? So mega menu. Where is mega menu? Already written display. What it is going to be called? None. Display none. Refresh the page now. Hiding. When I'm hovering, it has to display. So on what hover? Chapandi. On what hover? Dot menu li hover. What you want to display? Sorry. This is menu. Menu li hover. What you want to display? Sorry. Dot mega menu. Mega menu display. Display block or flexor? Okay, I'm writing display block here. Okay, let us see. All of you watch it carefully, whether it is working or not. I'm refreshing the page and I'm hovering. Display block or flexor? Flexor, you have to write flexor. Block and everything will become one by one, kada? So here, very important thing, you will understand. If I write block, what happening? Items are coming one by one. So you write flex now. Maybe if you write flex now, if you can refresh now, you see it's coming and they're all coming in a one order. Right? If you can remove the mouse and if you can over the mouse, if I remove the mouse, something like this one arrow also we can take here, arrow symbol also we can take. So and to represent there is a drop down. To represent there is a drop down like this. Okay. So yes, we can do like this, guys, here. So in smart technology also, I want to write drop down. How do I do this? Hey, are we going to write one more logic? Same logic. Copy paste the code. Nothing to do. Right. So do one thing. So if you want to add the menu, so what is this mega menu? Yep, you copy the mega menu. This is the mega menu now. So from mega menu to mega menu, I'm just copying. All of you see this carefully. Mega to mega. Yeah, this is copied. Copied. And where you want to add the menu here, smart technology. Go there, just paste the mega menu. Right? And you go and refresh the page now. You check this. Mega menu is also coming here. Mega menu is also coming here. Okay, we don't want to write one more logic for all the one logic for all the menu items. We written logic like that. So it is not only mouse over. So in TV entertainment we are not getting, audio not getting, cameras not getting, but smart technology we are getting. Okay, now this is what. And finally, what is the logic of this? 400 lines. CSS is what? 56, 456. All we know. Don't bother about the number of lines of code. It's not required. Okay, now. So this is all over mega menu. That's what this type of challenges we have to take it to create the mega menus and everything. Okay, so here justify content center also can I write? If I write justify content content center, so everything will be centered. Maybe if you can see the main is centered, now it is also works fine for you without having any problem. Things will be works properly. The main menu and the header, only header, HEA here, header background color. You take some other color. I'm taking everywhere light colors like this. So this is the thing, and everything will be work like this. Okay, na? Right. You understand? Okay, we are making more beautification. If you want, you can implement the same thing. This is the process you have to do it. So this is the mega menu. How to hide, how to show, when to show, on hover, where you are hovering, li hover. What I want to display? Mega menu na drop down menu. Yesterday we written drop down menu. Today we are writing mega menu. The only thing, right? This is all about the mega menu concept, guys. Right now, next concept is going to be CSS positions. POSITIONS positions. Positions. There is a property called position. POSITION position property. It has some value. Position absolute. Just now we used the word absolute. One more is going to be fixed. Other one is going to be relative. Other one is going to be static. Four values are there for this: absolute, fixed, relative, static. Position is the property, one of the most important property, especially if you want to work with the animations. Definitely you have to use the position property. Just now we used position property for what? Menu. Why? Because menu is getting disturbed. Yesterday also we used position absolute property because it is getting disturbed. To avoid the disturbance, we used position absolute. Because of that, it will work independently. Okay now? Right. See the examples. By seeing the examples only, we have to understand this. If you can read theory, you will never understand anything. Don't read the theory. watch me the examples and you will get the things, then you can prepare the theory. First we will see practically, then we will prepare the theory. Okay, right. So let us create a new file. I'm taking just two divs or container, anything you take it, div section or anything. So this is a block. Yep. I'm running the file. So same, nothing changed because we didn't write any HTML code. We are getting the output like this. Let us run the style tag, open style tag, close. Let us add it. So I'm writing the dot container. Yeah, for this container, let us set some height width. Width is equal to I'm writing 800 px. Height is equal to I'm writing 600 px. Okay, something. You can have some border also. Border 2 pixels solid, some red border or something. Now you people see there is a container. Container contains the information. Inside the container you have dot block also, no? Dot block block. Let us have block width, width. Block width is going to be 200 px. HAGHT height equal to 120 px or 100 px. For this, let me add some border also. We go on here. Border equal to so it's something called green. Okay now, right. Refresh the page. There is a box. Oh, this looks very. You write this also star margin. Better to write. Save this and go to the file, and if you can check this now, okay. Uh, Fine. There is a parent. There is a child. Who is parent? Red color. Who is child? Green color box. Of course, you won't write any background colors also. You can add it, but observe red color parent, green color is the child. Okay. For the green color, I am providing. All of you see this carefully. There is a property called position. The property called position. I am writing something called fixed. What is I am writing? Fixed. Save the file and refresh the page. Do you see any difference? You didn't see any difference. You observed, huh? Do you see any difference? No difference is there. Fine. I am removing it. Meanwhile, let me add some content here. After this container, I'm adding some content. Like this. Refresh. Yeah. Like this, let me copy paste it. I'm copy pasting multiple times. Okay, now almost all many times I copy pasted. If we can refresh the page, now you have a scroll bar. You have a scroll bar as well as the content is also moving. Everything is moving up. Everything is getting moved up. Okay. So still, if you want to add, you can add the more content, no problem. Yes, I did like this. If you can refresh the page now, And when I'm scrolling up and scrolling down, all the content is moving up and moving down. This is all clear, Gada? Right, now you see. Now let me go to this again. Let me add the property called position fixed. Okay, earlier we added, we didn't see any difference. Now I added more content. I'm refreshing the page. All of you see this carefully. I added a more content. If I am scroll down, what will be happen? What is happening? What is happening? Is the green color is moving? Everything is moving up, but green color is not moving up. Green color is fixed in the position. I don't want to move the content. By default, content is moving. Content is moving up and moving down. Can you see? Content is moving, and now you see content is moving up and moving down. Everything is moving up and moving down. But the green color is moving up. No, you remove the position property. Now you check this now. If you refresh the page now, can you see? Now when I'm scrolling down, is the green color is also moving up? It is moving with the content. Because of the fixed, it is not going to be done. Now you see, still fixed there, and you can see this, and this is, sir, I don't want this on this side. I want to move this to completely right side. Then what is the property? Just use the property called right zero. What is the property called? Right zero. If I can write this, now you see right side zero na. See, content is moving up, and that is still fixed there. And otherwise right zero, I am writing something called bottom zero, right zero. Mostly you will see this type of things in the real time. Now what is happening at the right side bottom? You are having that your content is moving up and moving down. It is fixed. Best example, do you know, ask what it is? SBI. అదిగోండి SBI లో ఆస్క్ ఇలా ఎవరు ఇక్కడ ఒక ఆమె ఉందో చూసారా? Maybe at the bottom. See, I'm scrolling up the content, I'm scrolling down the content, but still this person is still there. If I click this, then it is opening a pop-up window like this. What is the property they used? Fixed property. Bottom zero, right zero, fixed. So wherever you have, that is always at the bottom zero, right zero. To do this kind of fixable things, yes, we can use this Sunday. Yes, see, still this is there. Most of the applications low at the right side bottom, they will display some chat windows, chat messages, something they will display in a contacts, something they will display, right? So to do this type of things, yes, we can use. I'm not displaying such a thing. I'm just displaying an information. If you don't want this information, we can display some other icon or image. Image also we can keep here. Inside, if you want to write one image, you go and write an image. You have imgsrc images folder slash gebra.png. Let's have some height is equal to what is the height? 100, not 80. Width is going to be width equal to I'm taking something called 120. Yeah, height width 120. Now you see there is an image also. There is an image also. Image is not moving up, and you have to make somewhat little up, then it will be works properly to you. So I'm not taking height here. If I am not taking height, will it works fine? Yeah, it is auto height, maybe it will occupy. Image is also there and in the box actually. Bottom, I'm writing 40 px. Bottom 40 px if we can write. Now it will be, yeah, maybe you see, because of okay, you set height here. You set height, remove the height. Now you people see this carefully. Bottom zero you have, right? Sorry, bottom zero. I'm removing the height of that block, and maybe you see this is all fixed there now. Even if we can move the things up and down, this content is not moving, right? Okay. Now this is what position fixed. Position fixed. And one more thing, right zero, left zero, top zero, bottom zero, 4 properties are there. Margin left, right, left are same? They are not same. Remember carefully. This right property, bottom property, top property, left property will work when there is a position property there. If there is no position property, can I make them to work right zero, bottom zero? They cannot work. You see, they are not working. By default, the image is there only. Definitely, if you want to make them to work, there should be position property. If there is a position property, then only these two will work. Otherwise, they cannot work. Okay, now? right. So now if you can refresh, now the same thing will be aligned there. Okay, done. Position what? Fixed. What fixed is doing? Even though content is moving up and moving down, this is fixed on the screen and it is not moving with the content. Content is moving, but this block is not moving. It is fixed there on the a particular position. That is what position fixed property. Now next one is going to be position absolute. Absolute. Now you see, all of you see this carefully. See the difference, all of you. Absolute. Absolute alane right zero, bottom zero. Absolute right zero, bottom zero. If I scroll down, you people see, and this is also moving with the content, but position is working. Fixed means what? It will be fixed. Even though content is moving, it will never move. Absolute means what? It is not fixed, but it will change the position. Right zero, bottom zero is moved. Alane, when I'm scrolling up and scrolling down, and this is also getting moved. This is called absolute. Absolute will work like this. Fixed means same position. Left zero, right zero. Absolute means not in the same position. When content is changed, scrolling, this is also will scroll. But positions are going to be left zero, right zero will work. Okay. So, but I want to write one more thing. Actually, this is the block. This block related to container. Inside the container only I want to move ante, then you see for this container, if you can write position relative position, if you can write it, now you see that the block is available inside the parent right zero, bottom zero. So sir, it is going out of the box. I don't want to go to the out of the box. It should be inside the box only. Inside the box, right side bottom zero I want to get. Right bottom zero I want to make it. So in this context, position relative to parent, absolute to child. If you are just writing absolute, it will go out of the total screen. What is the screen you are having? It will go there and it will write the things. Always remember, position relative and absolute is the combination. So most of the cases, now you observe this carefully. When there is a position absolute, definitely they will write position relative to the parent. Position related to the parent. Then only it is not going out of it. It will be inside the container only. Do animation slow. I created a path, one road. I created a road path. I am making a bus to move on the road. It should not go out of the road. It should be inside the path only. Then the road should contain position relative property. Bus contain should bus element should contain position absolute property. So if it is inside only, ante definitely you have to write relative and absolute. Relative is always to parent, absolute always to child. You have to apply. So these are the properties which we will use in the animations point of view. Definitely, maybe in next concepts are going to be CSS animations only. At that point of time, we will see about all these things. Okay, right. I forget to tell you some properties, guys, which are related to text properties. Tomorrow we will discuss about these things. Text properties, I forget. Text properties as well as font properties. We will discuss these also. Font properties and text properties. Okay? Right. So fine. You have an assignment. Will you do this also? Yeah. Everybody know W3 schools? I need the menu like this. I need the menu like this. Whatever it is. So now you see, if I click the tutorials, I want to get this. ఇలాంటి డిజైన్ కావాలి అంటే మొత్తం యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్రియేట్ ఇట్. You have to create these tutorials, top menu, bottom menu, bottom menu you have to create, as well as if I hover, I have to get the sub menu like this. Will you try this? Try కాదు, చేస్తారా? ట్రై అంటే చేసి ఉంచారని కాదు, జస్ట్ మీరు if anybody, let me know as an assignment. I need this menu like the same color hovering. ఇలానే కావాలి నాకు, యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఇదే కాపీ కొట్టినా పర్లేదు, కనీసం అట్లీస్ట్ కాపీ కొట్టైనా చూపించండి. ఓ సంథింగ్ కదా. హౌ డూ యూ డూ దిస్ అనేది మీరు చేయాలి. సో ఇన్ని డ్రాప్ డౌన్స్ వద్దు, ఓన్లీ వన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ, రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ యూ లీవ్ ఇట్ ఎంప్టీ. search. This is a okay. Just write this. Download this icon if you don't know. Get certified, and this is sign up and login. Same thing required. After that, these menu items are also required there. ఇదంతా అవసరం లేదులే, no need of going for this. Okay, you guys are requested to complete this assignment, and tomorrow we will talk about this concept called text properties, font properties. If this is completed, then we will start a CSS transformations. Next concepts: transformations, CSS transitions, CSS animations, CSS media queries. Yeah, these are the final concepts. And finally, we will create one web application using HTML and CSS. We are going to create one website, simple website, basic website, like about to contact. If I click about, go to about. If I click contact, go to contact page, services page. Like this, we are going to create a sample website. Okay, now